Blackthorn Events is the highest rated events app on the AppExchange, helping higher education, healthcare, and nonprofit organizations manage and report on their events and attendees entirely in Salesforce. Presenting for Blackthorn will be Rebecca, who is the partner manager, and Nick, the strategic alliances manager.
All right, let's get after it. What's up, everyone? My name is Nick Traver. I am the Salesforce Alliances Manager, and I'm a new addition to this Fellowship of Wizards over here at Blackthorn.
Hey, Rebecca Razor here. I head up SI and ISV partnerships and alliances at Blackthorn. Now, this demo is going to whiz by super fast, so let's fly.
This year, Blackthorn is focusing on increasing our awareness of our events app in the higher ed space. And with our new app feature rollouts, it's easier than ever to host native to Salesforce events for your organization. The first update is our one-click installer. Now you can install Blackthorn's app bundle in just one click. Nothing to demo on this page. Just plug in your information, click submit, and you're off to the races. It's seriously that simple. For our next trick, we'll show you how to create an event within Salesforce in a click-based environment. We are super excited about our event wizard. It's a game changer, whether you're the first-time Salesforce user, seasoned veteran, or even Gandalf-like guru. With the event, you can create online, hybrid, or in-person events with a step-by-step walkthrough in just minutes. Let's build an event. First, you're going to want to give your event a name, then add a start and end date. If you're creating an event that is similar to a previous event, you can clone some or all of the settings from that previous event to speed up the process. We have multiple UIs, so you can choose between 3 pre-made templates or have your conjurer of code bring your own CSS if you would like to maximize customization and flexibility.
In this next step, you're able to add an image to your event to give it a customized look, and you can choose your streaming service. We have integrations with Zoom, GoToWebinar, and WebEx. After selecting your streaming service, you can opt to add survey questions to the ticket. And these questions can be shown before or after the checkout process, and they can even be triggered to send after an event is completed. In this next section, you'll add details regarding all of the speakers at your event. These can be keynote or session speakers, and they'll show up on your event in a tabbed UI experience. In the sessions page, you can add sessions to your event and relate speaker details. At the end here, you can choose how you'd like your registrants to pay for their ticket to your event. If your event is free, you just leave this box blank. Otherwise, you can add your preferred payment gateway with over 140 to choose from. Among payment processors we support are Stripe, Authorize.net, Spreedly, and Plaid. After you finish up your ticket creation, all you have to do is add attendees to your event. You can manage attendees in this section with the flexibility to add or invite from accounts, contacts, campaigns, and more.
We've put in the hard work so you don't have to. If you'd like to do a little taste of the magic yourself, visit Blackthorn Events on the AppExchange or go to install.blackthorn.io for our one-click installer. Thank you, everyone. We appreciate your time.